It is snowing now here in our place. This is my house. And look at that. It's cold. Ah, you see that one? Oh no. Yeah. It's a lot of fun. People are waiting for this snow. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Look at that. And ooh. Wow. Somebody said that this is snow. It takes like 7 hours. It's just starting this afternoon. I don't know what's gonna happen, but tomorrow I need to wake up at least 5 o'clock. Okay, bye.